Hello again, it's Roland with Fanatical Side Rider. Hey, listen, no coffee cup today because it's mid-afternoon, but those Kemimoto rock sliders are gone. I had a decent response about those, and a local guy came by and picked them up for his Z950. And I'll show you what they look like on his machine one day because we're going to get together and go for a ride. But today, I want to talk about these Kemimoto lower door units, these aluminum lower door units. These things, I just really like these lower door units. You can see the big scar here where there's a big tree stump that was sticking out like this, and I actually backed up, and I don't know how I did this because I'd already passed it. Buddy of mine wanted to move. We had to make a sharp turn. We're thick in the woods, and so I backed up because he had to back up. For some reason, I must have had my wheel turned a little bit, and I probably went like this, closer to the tree stump, and when I went to take off, I hit it. So that's what happened. I broke my fender here, and I scuffed up my door, pushed it in just a little bit, not too much, but I do have plastic doors for these that I bought, and they are actually from the cfmoto website. And I actually think I'm going to be selling those in the future. I'm not sure yet, but if I do, I'll make a video about it and see if anybody local would like to buy them. But other than that, nobody wants them. I'll put them on Facebook Marketplace. But the reason I put the Kemimoto aluminum doors on was Kemimoto offered them to me to try them out. So I thought, all right, I'll try them out. They do look nice. They're a two-piece here, right? And then you got a piece that goes up in here. So I thought I'll try them out. I installed them, and I just loved them right from the beginning. I thought they looked so much better than the plastic ones. Although the plastic ones do look good, but I just like these a whole lot more, and they are aluminum. So with this scar here, I'm probably going to clean this up, and I'll just put a bit of black spray paint on it, hit it with the rattle can, and I'll try to match it up as good as I can, but I'll make them look good. So yeah, it's just a quick video to say thanks for everybody who watched the video about the Kemimoto rock sliders. I wanted to just talk about these Kemimoto lower door units, these aluminum ones here, really quick. And you know what? Kemimoto makes really good products. I got lots of them on this machine. I'm happy with them all. Actually, the rock sliders were probably the least happy I was, only because they look good. They did the job, but I just, whatever you put there, like if it's steel, it's going to get scuffed up and scratched, and that brings in rust into your steel, and they get marked up, and you have to take them off, and you have to either sand them down and repaint them or sandblast them. Like Jeremy, who just got my rock sliders, he's going to sandblast them. He has the means for that. Although you could take it somewhere and have it done for probably $25, $30. And he's going to sandblast them and re-prime them and paint them. And he'll probably have them looking just like new in no time. But so far, everything else, like the windshield, I got the half windshield, I got the door bags, I got the roof bag, I have the lower door units, I got the front and the rear bumper. I'm extremely happy with all those products. I'm just letting you know, in case you're in the market for anything like that, at least you know that someone out there is giving you an honest review of these products. And with that, I'll leave links down below to all the products that I do have on this machine down below in the description. You can check it out if you want. And again, enjoy your Monday evening. Looks like we're going to get some more thunderstorms here. Rain seems to be the story right now all over North America. The Indianapolis 500 got paused there yesterday, got delayed a little while, but they finished it. And then the Coca-Cola 600 in Charlotte, North Carolina, it got cut off. And then seeing it was more than half the race was in, they just called it a race, and it was kind of a rip-off. So you'd like to see a full race and see how it actually turns out for everybody. But anyways, enjoy your Monday evening, and we'll see you soon on another video. Take care.